Namaste, I'm JV Dr. Sapna Gelot and my session is on what is international relations, meaning, definition and a difference between the international relations and the politics. Now, come. What is international relations? In very simple words, international relations meaning relation among nations or politics among nations. The name international relations or international politics clearly reflects such as a meaning of the discipline. To elaborate this, we can write that the discipline of international relations or international politics is concerned with the relation and interactions between and among nations. Broadly speaking, it is concerned with the study of the functioning of the study of relation among nations and several other international organizations and actors like the UNO, IMF, World Bank, all international organization, agencies, transnational, multinational actors, non-state actors and non-government organization present and active in the international environment and involved in the conduct of international relations. In other words, international relations mean the way in which two or more nations or actors interact and conduct their relations. To conduct our study of the meaning of the international relations, we can write that the discipline of international relation, which is also known as international politics, primarily studies interaction relations among all nations and all other international institutions and organizations. Now, some famous definitions we can discuss here. The first is according to Hans Morgenthau. International politics include analysis of political relations and problems of peace among nations. It is study struggle to power among nation. Okay, what the Palmer Parkin says about this: international relation is a subject concerned with the state system. Then Thomson writes, international politics is the study of rivalry among nations and the conditions and institutions which ameliorate and exacerbate these relationships. So when you see these definitions, you can say that these definitions clearly reveal the existence of diversities among scholars regarding the meaning, nature and scope of international relations. Some scholars define it as a system of interaction among nations which involve the use of power or threat of use of power. They prefer to call it an international politics. So they give importance to the study of the political, economic, cultural relation. In fact, is all types of relation among nations. In simple words, we can say that international relations or international politics can be defined as a discipline concerned with the study of relations, politics among nations. It is a very vast, complex and dynamic system of relation among nations. Its scope is very vast and continuously expanding. It is a neat, continuously evolving and developing subject of study. Naturally, there cannot be universally agreed definition of the subject, whose scope is in constant flux. Indeed, a field whose fluctuation is one of the principal characteristics. Now, सो ये आपने देख लिया कि व्हाट इज़ अ मीनिंग, कि जनरली ये क्या है और इसकी डेफिनेशन से और इनका क्या व्यू आता है. नाउ अब हम देखते हैं कि इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस एंड इंटरनेशनल पॉलिटिक्स. जनरली देयर आर टू मोस्ट पॉपुलर नेम्स ऑफ द डिसिप्लिन. सो मच ऑफ दीज आर क्वाइट ऑफन यूज्ड एज सिनोनिमस, यानी बिल्कुल एक से लगते हैं कि वेटर्स की इंटरनेशनल पॉलिटिक्स क्या है और रिलेशंस क्या. लोग तो ये बोलते हैं कि ये एक ही है. Several writers do not like to draw a line of demarcation between the international relations and international politics. Even some ranking scholars like the Morgenthau and Thomson use these terms interchangeably as they regard international politics as inalienable part of the international relations. There are several other scholars like the Palmer, Parkins, Burton, Theodore, Columbus, James A. Wolfe who prefer to use the name international relations. International relations. Generally, supporters of the international relations regarded it as a more comprehensive term which highlights the vast scope of the true nature of relation among nations. It covers all type of relation among states, their peoples and groups, as well as relations among international actors and international institutions operating in the world. The relations among nations are both political and non-political. These include social, economic, cultural, legal, official and non-official relations. All international transaction, financial and commercial, international, sports, technical, cooperation, cultural visit, business visit, trade, economic relations, diplomatic relations, people to people relation and ceremonial visit form part of the international relations. Since relation among nations form the core of the study, the term international relation is considered more appropriate than other terms. Palmer and Perkins prefer to use the term international relation on the grounds of politics at international level in a product of relations of different types, and this name rightly suggests the study of all aspects of relation among nations. So now after the international relations, you say what is international politics? Some scholars, however, advocate the use of the term international politics. They hold that the term international relations is too general, too broad and too loose term, which fails to specify the true nature of interaction among nations. It gives no indication of the primary concern of study, that is the politics among nations. It further tends to suggest an unduly vast scope of the subject, the study of all types of public and private relations among people, groups and nations of the world. The term international relation is further regarded as inappropriate because it denotes cooperation and relation as the hallmark of international intercourse, which is not in tune with the realities of the international system. In reality, we find the arena of international interaction characterized by conflict, struggle for power, wars and disputes, along with some cooperation and friendship. As such, the use of the term international relations for designated the study of the politics among nations is held to be inappropriate and misleading. Since as the core area of the study is the political aspect of relations among nations, we must stick to the use of the name of international politics. To be specific, the use of the term international politics is most appropriate for identifying the study of conflict of purpose and struggle for power among nations. Now, both the names, that is international politics and international relations, can be used interchangeably. In a broader and general sense, we can use the term international relations, but to specific in identifying the core of international relations and interactions, we can use the term international politics. Undoubtedly, politics among nations is a product of various types of relation, and hence we cannot be absolutely rigid in specifying a single term. We can use both the name international relations and international politics without any hindrances.